Hey everybody, this is Mark from the Geek Church today. And as you can see, we've got a lot of products to review, a whole stack here, and they're all from Grip2u. Did we get that in the shot? Did we get that? Oh heck, we're doing Grip2u. Just let's get to the intro. As we've said, we're reviewing Grip2u again today. By again, I mean we've reviewed them before. By again, I mean we've reviewed them before. I'll put a little card there if I get around to it so you can check out what I've got. Now you can see I've separated my products into two separate piles. Why did I do that? Well, I've really got two individual products I can talk about separately. The Slim, and there's the Boost. The difference isn't the color, although you did notice one was clear and one was black. What it really boils down to is features. I'm going to talk about them individually here. I'll start with the Slims, and I've got a pack of Slims here. By pack of Slims, I don't mean Virginia Slims. That would be a lot thinner. But seriously, I think Slims derives its name because of the fact that it is kind of slim. And I've got four here for all four versions of the new iPhone 14. I got the iPhone 14 Pro. I got the iPhone 14 Plus. Ha! And I've got the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Still hot. I really only see a need to unbox one of them, and I'll just do the Pro Max one. It's the largest, as is the Plus. But yeah, just so you can get a good idea of what it looks like. Okay, so basically that's the unboxing. Not too difficult there. And if I may take it out, I've got this. This particular case and anything that's from the Grip2u is made because it has this particular grip. See that? You can take this by the hand, one-handed use, wave goodbye, wave hello. Yeah, you can see where this gets pretty handy to use. Obviously somebody just started with this and then made a company out of it. And I have no problem with that whatsoever. There are some other features as well. I want to talk about the fact that it has clean action technology, antimicrobial protection. So that's good. And still in the COVID-19 era? If so, this has got protection for it. It's also set up for wireless charging. That's pretty good, and that comes in handy. Now, as a reviewer, I like to talk about things that don't get talked about a lot. And one of the things I noticed, if you look at my article, I have pictures of this product there, but the pictures don't have these things down here. See these little loopies? I'm going to talk about these because these things surprised me. Okay, see these things? These just pop right out. Yeah, see that? It just pops out. Yeah. I don't know if you can get that there. Can you pinch to zoom? Who knows? Okay, but as you can see, they're out. And I can put them back in pretty easily. But you better believe if there was a phone in here, they would stay in there very well because the phone would be pressing up against them. I don't have an iPhone 14 Pro Max, so sue me. And if you like, you can leave a comment there. Leave a comment anyway, and have it be complimentary, please. I'm really getting tired of trolls. Okay, so I put the loopies back. I know they probably have a better word and it's more scientific, but essentially these are necklace and wristlet compatible. So if you have one of those things like a lanyard or something like that, you could do that. Say, for example, if you got something from Smartish, you could do that. You might want to click on that little thing that I was hopefully referring to. Okay, so if you like this Slim for the iPhone 14, go get it. It's available on the Grip2u site for about $29.99, and that includes each of these models that I showed before. So let's talk Boost, as in the Grip2u Boost. I'll just unbox this one because it's, well, it's Pro Max and that's pretty big. Now the Boost, I believe, is actually called that. Actually, I'm not really certain why it's called that. The features are essentially the same, though. So we're looking at, in fact, You can see the MagSafe mark here. So we've got the wireless charging covered. We also have, the antimicrobial thing going on. Yes, it is. And it's got the, what is that, necklace wristlet things there. So, and of course, the super feature of take it by the hand. By the hand, by the hand, take it by the hand, pretty mama. In case you didn't get that out from the article. By the way, you should be reading the articles if you... Well, I guess that's all the features, so... Oh wait, I'm not done yet. I suddenly remembered it has this thing. This thing up here that, honestly... there we go. Okay. So basically, see how that kind of just comes out of there? Like that? Oh yeah! It does it again. You know what? I'm going to do that again, just in case you didn't get it the first time. There we go. Okay. So, in case you want your phone to be up there like that, so you can watch a video or something, you can do that. Little kickstand. Part of the Boost. I guess that's why they call it the Boost? I don't know. Oh, who can say? Well, I can say, and I think that's why they call it the Boost. Anyway, so I got this one because it's, I don't know, they just sent it me. It's black in its color. Also got the clear one here, just in case you see it. Looks just like the Slim. I didn't really see a need to talk about it or unbox it. But they come for all types, and they're available for $34.99. You should get them on the Grip2u site. Hey, you know what? I just remembered something. A while ago, I was in Vegas for CES, and I remember bumping into Grip2u there, and I just happened to be given some interesting little things. These are part of their straps. I guess they make different types of straps that you can just kind of mix and match. This one here has stacks and stacks. As you can see, it's a bunch of chips. And then I've got this one that just says Vegas, kind of an interesting little flag there. I'm not really sure what that is. And then we've got this one, kind of a reference to The Hangover, which is, please don't curse in front of the child. As you can see, some interesting things. I've never actually done this before, but I'm going to do this now. I'm going to see if I can't just change out the straps very easily. Okay, some of you notice I use this thing to do multiple takes. With the push of a button. I'm just going to do a single take where I'm just going to change this out and I'm going to see how quick I can do it with. Never actually just pulled one of these things out here before. I don't want to just yank it because I think you all know that sometimes yanking things isn't smart. So, I wonder if there's a certain tool I need to do this with and if it came with it. I'm kind of wondering like how this actually works here. These things, okay. Maybe it's just a little bit of a, actually, is this even the same size? It looks like it. Shoot, okay. I'm going to guess it's compatible with it. Okay, hopefully if I can get one end out, I can get the other end out. Okay, I give up. I'm going to have to Google how to change out a strap here. So let's just do that. Okay. Now to change a strap on a Grip2u. Go with that. Oh, hey. Alright, so... Oh, okay, there's even a little video here, which I won't show, but hey. Okay, customize.
First, remove your phone from the case. Then, flip the case over so that the band is facing upward toward you. Grip the band at one of the ends and push in at an angle to pop the band.
Okay, here's what the video is telling me, and I'm not sure if this will do it. But basically, I put it down like this at an angle, and then kind of push it out or something. Maybe it's this end. Okay, I certainly don't want to break this dang thing. Okay, maybe I'll try it at an angle, maybe using this tool or something. It doesn't necessarily say I need the tool. Let's see, so it's like an angle here. This is one of those things like you have a hard time doing it once, but once you do it, you actually can do it every time without fail. And yes, I feel like it's one of those. And yes, I just got the first part of the strap off. Woo! Okay, hopefully the other side is just going to be super easy. All we need to do is just push it in and get the band on. Okay. Alrighty. Success! Alright, now we're going to see how well this works. Put the band on. Okay, I'm going to use the please don't curse in front of the child because why not? I'm just going to put it on like this. Okay, first part on. Okay, this looks like it's going to be the tricky part here. Just getting this thing in here. I'm trying to use some different angles. Okay, there's like a little steel beam in there. It's like a rod. You have to get in there really precise. Okay, maybe not too precise, but let's see. Honestly, using this tool didn't really help all that much. But, okay. Now, this one feels a little loose on it. Yeah, it feels very loose. So, okay, I got it there, and it is not coming off unless, of course, I use that technique to, of course, take it off. All right, I'm actually glad I spent the time doing that. It's something I think I've had these things around, just laying around. I haven't gone to CES for like 3 years, serious. Last time it was because it was canceled due to COVID, and then the last time I had COVID, but you guys probably already know that story. Anyway, so I got this on, and I'm really glad that I did. Okay, so here's the deal. Grip2u, great products. I've shown you them. I've shown you the price. Check them out if you want them. In the meantime, it's been Mark Rollins from this Geek Church, and I'm signing